Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Satin Suzie scents haul. I think it's no surprise that I've kind of fallen in love with this vendor. I've ordered multiple times at this point, and every time I go to like look at her site, I'm just like, ugh. So she started including this sheet of paper in here, which I think is really nice. She just kind of lets you know cure time, and then she also puts like scents that may not be so, I think she says below our scent descriptions for the not so obvious scents you may have ordered. So this is going to be kind of a mess because I received this and it's kind of been sitting, so this is kind of like backlogged. I'm like doing backlog hauls, things that have kind of been sitting around for a while. So let's go ahead and get into the samples, and then I'll show you kind of like what I blended and then what I just picked up in scent shots. So the first thing is tinsel, and the scent description for tinsel right now is evading me right now. I've never really loved tinsel. It's like more like a winter scent for me. And for some reason I'm completely blanking on what it is. I don't know why. I've had it a bazillion times, but I just can't think of what's in there. But she sent me a ton of samples too. Ocean Waves. Now the really cool thing about hers, I mean, your order is basically poured to order. Ocean Wave, yeah, this smells just like a ozone, sea salty, or salty sea air, ocean breeze kind of scent. So I like that. That would have some good blending possibilities as well. The next one I got is Josiah's Jellylicious Donuts, and I got this one in my last order. And I really like this one. I need to pull out some of the scent shots because I'm sure they're cured and ready to go, and kind of start warming through some of this stuff so I can give more of a proper review. The next one is Pumpkin Nog. She has a very extensive scent list as well. Oh, I like this. This is like spicy, and it's not too pumpkin-y, surprisingly. It's more of like a, yeah, it's like a cinnamon, spicy scent. It's not a lot of pumpkin in there, so I like that. Like you would think it's kind of like an eggnog, but I don't really get that. And then I got ice cream scoop bread. And I think when I smelled this, like I don't love ice cream scoop bread, but I don't know, when I smelled this, I kind of liked it. Maybe I just don't love it in blends or whatever, because anything I've ever had ice cream scoop bread in, I'm never like completely in love with. Like I like it all right, but creamy chai latte. Okay, this one for some reason I don't love on its own. It's got that really, let's see, maybe it's just the chai that I'm smelling that's, I don't know, I think maybe there's like clove in there or something. There's something in there, like a scent note that's not like really doing it for my nose. And then I have rose petals and cream, and I think this is just rose jam, like straight up rose jam. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's rose jam. Maybe she adds a little something like because of the cream part, but, or maybe that's just her scent description for rose jam, rose petals and cream. I mean, that makes sense because rose jam is like a sweet rose scent. Okay, so I did do a little bit of blending. I don't know if I'm going to pull these out because I don't want to make too much noise, but she puts all of her scent shots. Of course, now I messed them up, but they come super nice in this bag, and then she ties it at the top. Super cute and nice presentation on that. But I, being the mess that I am, I just like bust right into it and go. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So I got Tangerine Bean. This is oranges and vanilla bean. I think this is one of her house blends, possibly. This one is really good. I like a good tangerine mixed with like vanilla bean noel or like a vanilla scent. To me, it always is like a nice, refreshing summertime scent. So there's that. That one's really strong too. This one is Kefir Makes the Team. I saw someone in the group talking about this one. This is bubblegum, marshmallow, and fizzy pop. It just sounded like an interesting combination. And this one is, like, I actually really like this one. I'm not the biggest fan of bubblegum, but I don't know, it kind of mixed with the marshmallow and fizzy pop. It, where was I going with that? I don't know, I was thinking I wasn't smelling the bubblegum, but I am the more I smell it. So the bubblegum is pretty prominent in there. I'll have to try this one on warm to see. You know, I mean, you can't really judge anything on cold. I mean, you really have to get it on your, as Sasha would say, wax griddle. That term just cracks me up, like wax griddle. So I've been thinking of, like, when I look at my wax warmers now, I think of wax griddle. Jessica Rabbit, this is strawberries and cream, cake, and Twinkies. And, you know, I love a good strawberry scent. And this one is good. This is like fresh picked strawberry. And then you almost get like the warmth from the, not, and I don't mean warmth in like, just like a warm bakery item is what I mean. It's just a nice strawberry scent. I think that's fresh picked strawberries in there, which is really nice because, I mean, that's like one of my favorite strawberries. The next one she had on her, I think this is ready to ship. She poured some, I think it was called Earth Day blends or Earthy type of blends. This is warm earthy, olive branches, and sweet dewy fig leaves blend with aromatic nuances of sea mist and touches of floral. So there's that. I think olive leaf, it might be the Lush dupe. I'm not sure. No, I don't think this is it. Okay, this is a different one because the vendors make two different kinds. There's like an olive branch, which is the Lush dupe, and then olive leaf. Like, I think there's a few different ones out there. This one smells very good. This one's very nice. It's a little earthy. It's a little clean. I don't know how much fig I'm getting in there. That one smells really nice. I like that one though. So that is olive leaf and fig. The next one I have is black pepper, and this is also in the Earth Day earthy scents. This is rich, spicy, and bold. This blend of exotic spices and earthy hints of woods and musk is great as a standalone or a blender. I love pepper scents in things. I think it just adds a completely different, you know, you can only have so many strawberry birthday cakes. You can only have so many lemon curd, marshmallow, blah, blah, blah. You can only have so many, what's some of the other one? Pink sugar laundry, pink sugar this, pink sugar everything. So it's nice sometimes to just have something a little different. And black pepper is nice. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it really. I've had it in blends before and it's just, I don't even know. Like, I can't describe that one at all, but it's good, or good for my nose. We'll see how it is on warm though. It could completely change and be different. The next one I have is Sea Witch, and I believe I've had this blend before from another vendor. This is a day at the beach. This blend has notes of sun weather, driftwood, seaweed, fresh salty sea air, and a hint of water lily. Oh, I think we're about to get some thunder. Ooh. So Sea Witch is a somewhat of a, it's part of the Jaws blend from Super Tarts. Pretty sure it is. It just doesn't have the plum and the sweet pear. It's pretty darn close. It just doesn't have the sweetness that Jaws does. So there's that. And that the blend I had from the other vendor was smelled exactly the same. So then I grabbed another Clean Freak, which I've hauled before. I wanted to grab a second one. This is Don't Think of Cleaning Products. This refreshing scent brings to mind an amazing crisp spring day. White jasmine and masculine musk mingle with fresh citrus and notes of green and finishes with a light powdery note. So this one is good. I remember I wanted to get a second scent shot of this because it was just that good. Like, I was like, I can't wait to like warm this, like when I'm cleaning in the kitchen or, and it's different than like most cleaning scents to me. It smells kind of unique, you know? I don't know. So that one's nice. Let me see, I'm gonna look at the scent description again. Yeah, it's got a crispness to it, and I do smell that citrus in there. I don't get a lot of the green note, but it doesn't smell too powdery to me. So the next one I have is Pucker Up Sweetheart, and this is lemons, cookies, and marshmallows. And okay, so here's one of the things about her stuff. I don't know if it's the cookies. Someone makes this, another vendor, and I can't remember who. It's either the cookie note or the marshmallow note that can tend to like turn a little funky. That's just on cold. Now on warm, sometimes cookie scents for me change, or, well, I don't think it's the marshmallow because I've had marshmallow from her before and I don't think it's the marshmallow, but sometimes cookie scents, like you have to find the right one. I've had cookie scents before that have kind of been a little bit, I don't know what it is about cookie scents sometimes from different vendors for me, but that one is probably my least favorite out of the little bit. Everything else I pretty much like. So I did go ahead, and you guys, I'm not going to open this, but you guys did see the steampunk cupcakes I did in my last order or the order before, I can't remember. And so basically you can blend up to 3 scents. So this go around I did strawberry shortcake, mango smoothie, vanilla sugar cone, waffle overpour, and I'm not going to open it up. I'm going to try to see if I can smell it. Can't really smell it. Okay, so anyways, well, you know, cold reviews don't really tell you jack anyway. So basically I was trying to copy and wanted to try, oh, what the hell is that Rose Girls blend? I can't remember right now. Anyways, I was trying to do some sort of like derivative of that scent. So that's what that's all about. And then I did do, okay, so she's got this, what are these called? They're like, is it her pack of peonies or pack of posies? No, maybe it's pack of posies. Anyways, it's these big flower shapes and she gives you 2. It doesn't give you, I mean, you purchase 2. So I did espresso, creme brulee, and brown sugar. So what had happened is in my last order, she gave me espresso, creme brulee, and then I had a brown sugar from before. I love coffee with brown sugar, so the creme brulee smelled so good, so I just decided to go ahead and blend it. Just decided to blend it up. From what I can smell in there, it smells really good. You know, obviously it's still like closed up, so. Oh, here's another pack of posies here, and you can't really see like what they are, but they're just these huge flowers. So I'll try to open them like maybe when I do like a melting basket and put them in there or whatever. This is pumpkin milkshake, vanilla smoothie, and brown sugar. I love pumpkin milkshake and brown sugar mix. I think it is really good. Now that's not my original idea. I think Super Tarts has a pumpkin milkshake, brown sugar, and plum. I think it's Jacob is sweet. Yeah, it's Jacob is the pumpkin milkshake, brown sugar, and plum. I didn't like that blend personally because of the plum, but I did figure out that I did like pumpkin milkshake and brown sugar mix. And this one, from what I can smell through the thing, smells really good. Pumpkin milkshake to me is not, it's just like it's like a sweet, kind of a sweet bakery type of scent. It's like you don't really get a lot of pumpkin in there to me. So let me see, actually, let me see if I can just open this really fast. It's going to be tinkling for a second. Okay, here we go. So this is what her pack of posies, I guess that's what it's called, pack of posies. Oh yeah, this one's really good. This one's going to be really great for fall. Oh, this reminds me of the Super Tarts blend minus that plum. Now, I want to go back and try Jacob again because I am like kind of more open to plum now, but at the time, like I could not do Jacob at all. So I wanted to try the same scent minus the plum. I really like that. That smells really nice. So if you're curious, here's the second one. I might as well just pull it out while I'm here. But there is the second one. So I love that she has the option to go ahead and blend your own things, and she does have some ready to ship that is available. And then also, as I always say, she has the new customer deal, which I think is like $13, I want to say, for maybe 8 scent shots, and then you just pay padded flat rate envelope shipping, which is a really nice deal and a really great way to just kind of try out some of her scents. She seems like she's really adaptable. Like if you have a request or something, it seems like she'll kind of go ahead and try to accommodate you unless it's something crazy. But for the most part, I mean, I love that you can blend. Like that's a big thing for me. Like I love to blend. And sometimes when you do like blending with like little cubes of like mini melters or whatever you want to call them, sometimes it doesn't always turn out like the way I don't know. For me, sometimes it just doesn't turn out the way I like it. But if it's blended all up together, sometimes I feel like it's better that way. I don't know why. It's probably in my head. But anyways, okay, that is Satin Suzie Scents. I am really liking her stuff. Her customer service is really great. I mean, the fact that she pours your order and gets it out to you in 10, like, I don't know what her turnaround time is. Might be 10 to 14 days, but she usually, like, moves pretty fast. And so, yeah, I really like her. I would definitely suggest giving her a try. Her scent list is amazing. She's got a lot of things you can blend with, which I love, that you can't always find with other vendors. So, yeah, if you're missing that favorite scent from one of your vendors that just doesn't carry it, or you can't ever get it restocked, try blending. I mean, it's kind of fun, and you might find something that you like really love. Also, one thing real quick too, on these posies, or whatever they're called, you can specify, like, say you're putting 3 cents in there. So say you want 70% of brown sugar, or like if you're doing coffee, let's say you want 70% coffee, 20% brown sugar, and 10 of the creme brulee. You can do that. You can specify what percentage of each oil you want in there. So you can really customize, what scent you want to be the strongest, or if you know something is really strong, you can kind of tone it down. It just has to equal 100%, obviously. So you can't put in anything crazy in there, like, I don't know, something like 95% coffee and then 20%, because that doesn't add up to 100. So, all right, anyways, I'm rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely check out Satin Suzie. Join her Facebook group. It's kind of quiet in there. I'd like to see a little more action. So I feel like if we can get some more people in there, maybe we can kind of spice it up. But, she's quiet. She's probably busy working, but, it'd be nice for some of us customers kind of to go in there and chat her up. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye guys.